Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you. 10 life hacks that will revolutionize the way you do things. So let's jump right into it. Are you tired of struggling to find your favorite clothes in a messy closet? Well, here's a simple solution. Use shower curtain rings to hang your scarves, belts, and even tank tops. This will not only save space, but also keep everything neatly organized. Cooking can sometimes be time-consuming, right? Well, here's a hack for you. Freeze fresh herbs in an ice cube tray with olive oil. When you need them for a recipe, just pop out a cube and add it to your dish. It's a quick and easy way to add flavor without the hassle. Need a phone stand while watching videos or video chatting? Grab a binder clip and unfold it. Then use the arms to create a stand for your phone. It's a budget-friendly solution that works like a charm. Tired of tangled cables? Take a simple toilet paper roll and decorate it. Then thread your cables through the roll and say goodbye to the mess. It's a great way to keep your workspace tidy and your cables easily accessible. Want to keep your chips fresh and crispy? Use a hair straightener to seal the bag. Just run the straightener over the top of the bag and voila! Your snacks will stay fresh for longer. Always losing your keys? Attach a magnetic strip to the inside of a drawer or cabinet. Now you have a hidden key holder that keeps your keys secure and easy to find. Need a quick way to amplify your phone's sound? Place it inside a ceramic mug. The shape of the mug will enhance the sound, making it louder and clearer. It's perfect for watching videos or listening to music. Are your keys hard to tell apart? Use different colors of nail polish to paint the tops of your keys. Now you can easily identify which key is for what without any confusion. Say goodbye to smelly shoes. Fill a pair of old socks with baking soda and tie them up tightly. Place these odor eliminators in your shoes overnight, and by morning they'll be fresh and odor-free. Want to take better photos with your phone? Create a DIY phone stand using a paperclip. Bend the paperclip into a stand shape, and you can now take steady and professional-looking photos. And there you have it, 10 life hacks that will simplify your daily routine. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Until next time, take care and stay organized.